Sabi ni guys.
Kayla.
Kayla. I'm gonna spray something lang here to help lessen the pain, ha? Don't move your hand. Don't put
Just
your
don't
hand.
move.
Hindi magpisik.
Stay still. I'm here. You look at me. I'm
Right
looking
now.
at you.
It's
Just
mga
look
10
at me
seconds.
and listen to me. Don't move. Oh, they're just spraying. Don't look. Don't look. Look at me. They'll spray. That's it. Don't move. That's
See?
it.
No pain?
That's it.
Don't move.
That's
See?
it. See? Done na. I'm
There it
looking.
is. Meron to go.
See? They got it na. Can you feel it? Wala. There's none. There's no pain.
Grabe mo mag-effect sa anesthesia, no?
Do
Sa skin.
topical refrigerant.
Do
Sinatunaw
niya.
Spray lang.
That one is to make that one instantly freezes the skin so you don't feel anything.
So,
Skin
kung
na-
That was the
ang iba na,
anesthesia. That was
iba
the
na
anesthesia.
tao na hadlok sa dextrose, pwede man.
Pwede kita.
Tingnan lang nila yung usaraw.
At depende man. Actually, hindi maging available din sa Philippines. We brought it in from the States.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
You see? Can you feel it? Oh, you see.
Wala na to kay...
The injection is still there?
Yeah, but you're not feeling it, no? Sabi ko, Dok, ang injection, you will inject. Ang anesthesia, you will inject.
Yeah, but this one is sa skin pa lang. This is very good for
Pang
children.
skin.
Para they don't feel anything. So, pag antis pa lang pasulod ng dagong, wala na sakit. Do refrigerant sa skin,
Hindi pala
gina-freeze.
akong
May ara man kamo, Dok, anesthesia.
Oh, yeah,
Ano
meron.
na
Local.
injection?
Oo, may ara pa.
Hindi pala
Agin
akong
mo tayo
matamaan.
subok.